how do I explain email marketing? You see, that's a good question. So, how would I explain email marketing? You see, that's a very good question. That's an actually extremely good question, but sometimes a little bit difficult to explain. So, I find something a little bit helpful is if I compare email marketing. Now, and remember, I get asked this all the time, okay? People come up to me, say, Gab, they want to get into email marketing. They're like, I really, really want to get into it. What can I expect? And, I've always been very honest and very upfront. That's the thing about me, right? They don't call me the Honest Gab for no reason, okay? And there's a good reason for that. And I like to really kind of paint a picture in terms of what you can actually really expect when it comes to email marketing, okay? Now, anyone who owns an email list knows the challenges that come with email marketing. And in all honesty, I blame those damn ESPs, those damn email service providers, okay? Damn them into making people think that email is so simple. All you need to do is load in a list and press send, okay? Now, anyone who manages an email list knows that that is just a plain wrong, okay? You know it. You know it. Now, here's how I like to explain email marketing so that everyone can understand exactly the devil that you're dealing with. And yes, it can be a devil. Think of email marketing being represented as a woman, okay? And media buys or display ads being represented as a man. Now, both are human, right? Both are human. Can't disprove that. And both email marketing and media buys are both represented as media channels, which means that they drive people and traffic to a specific web page so that you can basically sell more products and services, right? Okay, now just like a man, media buy is super straightforward, right? You load in your target, you put in your budget, you put your ads, boom, you're off to the races, right? Super straightforward, super simple, right? So now, email marketing just like a woman, but the only difference is it's not just any woman. We're talking about a beautiful woman. We're talking about your ideal, a dream woman, okay? Whatever you want, you can have it. Charm, sass, whatever it is that it floats your boat, she's got it. She has it. Now, most people believe that because both men and women are human, that we react the same way. But we all know that that could not be further from the truth, okay? Now, let's look at email marketing. On the surface, it looks easy, right? You load in a list, you press send, and you wait for the money to roll in, right? That's what you do. You wait for it to roll in, right? Wrong once again, okay? Now, while both men and women are human, yes, we are both human, media buying, just like men, super straightforward. Simple, straightforward, right? What you see is what you get. Not much to it. Email marketing is complex as a female, made to look easy, but one of the most complex media channels out there. It really is. Now, remember I said complex. I did not say hard, okay? It's not difficult. It's just complex, okay? You have to deal with domain reps, blacklists, complaints, spam complaints, unsubs. It's a lot. It's a lot of layers, a lot to deal with. And to top that all off, email marketing, just like a woman, cycles through her own PMS cycle, and that can be brutal, really brutal. So you might find yourself with no email issues for days, okay? You're in paradise. Just think about this, okay? You're mailing for days, you're making amazing money, everything's going well, and before you know it, bam! Something happens. You have no idea what happens, but something happens. Just like when a woman's PMSing, you have no idea what happens. That's exactly what happens in email marketing. Surprises all the time, okay? Now, before you start even thinking about selling your email list, don't do that. Okay, you know the value of email just like you know the value of a lady. You know. Yes, we might be a little complex. Yes, I agree. We have a little bit more layers than men. But if you know exactly how to handle us, we will make you happy every single day. Okay, maybe not every single day, but we can at least try 90% of the time. Okay, we try. Okay, but the point is you will be much happier if you know exactly how to handle us. So there you are, email marketing easily explained.